Silicon steel sheets arrive at the factory to form the transformer's magnetic core. High-purity copper wire is delivered for winding the transformer coils. Insulation paper arrives to safely separate and protect transformer windings. Thick steel sheets are prepared to build the transformer's protective tank. Cooling fins are prepared to remove heat from the transformer. Insulating oil is stored to cool and protect the transformer. Fasteners are prepared to hold transformer components securely. Core clamps are prepared to secure the transformer's magnetic core. All raw materials are now ready to begin transformer manufacturing. Silicon steel sheets are fed into machines to begin core manufacturing.
Sheets are precisely cut into magnetic core lamination shapes. Cut laminations are collected and stacked in perfect alignment.
E and I-shaped laminations are sorted for core assembly. Laminations are stacked to build the transformer magnetic core. The core stack is compressed to increase strength and stability. Core clamps are installed to lock laminations firmly together.
Insulation is added to protect windings from the metal core.
Core dimensions are measured to meet design specifications. Core weight is checked to ensure material consistency.
The finished core is prepared for the winding process.
The transformer core is now ready for coil winding. Metal lead frames are prepared to form the transformer's electrical terminals. Insulating spacers are cut precisely to separate transformer windings safely. Terminal connectors are machined to ensure precise electrical connections. Insulation sheets are layered to protect coils and the core. Coil formers are prepared to hold transformer windings accurately. Insulating tape is applied to prevent short circuits in windings. Lead terminals are assembled on coil ends for electrical connections. Spacers and supports are installed to stabilize transformer windings.
Completed coils are prepared for drying to remove moisture. Each coil is inspected to ensure it meets quality standards.
The transformer core is mounted on the winding machine for coil assembly. Low-voltage coils are wound around the core with precise turns. Insulation sheets are added between winding layers for safety. Insulation layers are added to the high-voltage coil for protection.
Coil ends are formed into terminals for electrical connections.
Tension in each coil is checked to ensure uniform winding. Insulating tape is applied to fully protect the transformer coils. Coils are prepared for drying to remove moisture before assembly. Coils undergo vacuum drying to ensure insulation is moisture-free.
Dried coils are cooled to room temperature before final assembly.
The winding section is organized and ready for internal assembly of transformers. The transformer core is positioned for final internal assembly.
Finished coils are prepared for safe lifting and placement. The coils are carefully placed onto the transformer core. Core limbs are aligned to ensure efficient magnetic flow. Upper core sections are installed to complete the magnetic path. The core is clamped tightly to prevent vibration and noise. Electrical leads are routed for external connections. Insulation barriers protect coils from the metal core.
Clearances are checked to meet electrical safety standards.
All fasteners are tightened to specified torque levels.
The assembled transformer is cleaned before enclosure fitting. The assemble is visually inspected for defects.
The core and coil assembly is ready for tank installation.
Main assembly is complete, preparing the transformer for enclosure.
The transformer tank is fabricated to protect internal components.
The core and coil unit is prepared for tank installation. The assembled unit is carefully placed inside the tank. The tank lid is installed to seal the transformer. Gaskets are installed to prevent oil leakage. Electrical bushings are installed for external connections.
The transformer is prepared for insulation oil filling.
Insulating oil is filled under vacuum to remove trapper air.
Oil levels are carefully monitored during filling.
The oil is circulated and allowed to settle properly. Leak tests confirm the tank is oil-tight.
Cooling and safety accessories are installed on the tank.
The transformer enclosure and oil filling process is complete.
The transformer is moved to the testing area for final verification.
Insulation resistance is tested to ensure electrical safety. Turns ratio testing confirms correct voltage transformation.
Winding resistance is measured to detect internal defects.
High voltage testing ensures the transformer can handle stress safely.
No load loss testing measures energy efficiency of the core.
The transformer is tested under simulated load conditions. Temperature rise is monitored to verify cooling efficiency. Insulating oil is tested to ensure long-term reliability.
Final approval confirms the transformer meets all standards. The transformer is cleaned and prepared for delivery.
Identification plates are installed with technical specifications. The transformer is packed securely for transportation. The transformer is loaded for delivery to the site.
The transformer is now ready to power the world.